Welcome back to House Call Auto Repair. We've got a little quick, simple, easy one today. I'm in the process of trying to tidy up some wiring harness damage from a clutch replacement that had done before I acquired the vehicle. Got a video coming up of the clutch being installed on the crankshaft. But this is the wiring harness right here that goes down the back of the transmission that had a couple of broken plugs on the end. We've done a little bit of wiring repair on it. We had a spot where the loom was chewed through and a spot that was melted. We still got one more plug right here. This one here goes down to the temperature sensor that normally lives below the intake manifold. So we're going to be repairing this today because this one here is broken. So as you can see, we've got the intake manifold removed, and we have a sensor right there. That one right there is the temperature sensor, and this is the plug that goes to the temperature sensor, and the little clip that locks it on has been snapped off. So we're going to show you today how to remove this plastic piece from the existing wiring, and we're going to replace it with a whole new plastic shell. Now, first thing we're going to need to do is we've got our new plug, a little pigtail. We got this online, got it reasonably cheap. It looks to be an exact match, so we're going to give this a shot, see what happens. Grab the old pocket knife, and first thing we're going to do is remove this yellow piece right here in the top, which is a retaining lock. We're going to get underneath the edge of this thing, and we're going to carefully lift up on it, pop it loose, and hopefully not eject this into space somewhere. We need to remove this. There we go. And we'll set that little yellow piece right here, which is your locking clip. This secures the pins so that the locks that hold the pins in can't back out and release the pins. So now that this has been removed, set that aside. We're going to go down in here with my pin. Pull my pin out of my hat, and we're going to use the pin to go down inside along the edge of these little clips on the inside to release it. Alright, now start off with this one here. Just catch the little itty bitty tab down on the inside and push straight back on it, and then we can extract this piece, pull it out, and so that I don't get these mixed up with the new one, we're going to do the same thing with this one right here. We're going to pull the red wire out first. Again, with the knife, from the clip side and underneath the edge of the yellow, lift the clip up and out. Try not to lose that again. Set that one aside. Set that over here, just in case there might be a difference between this housing and the other, or this shell and the other shell. And now we're going to remove the red wire. Same way, get down underneath the clip, which I wish I could see a little bit better. Push back on it, and then we can pull the red wire out. We're going to take the new one, weather pack and all. See if I can get you in here so you can see this. I'm going to take this piece right here, same way, and we're going to slide that in. Same position that I just took the red one out of. And if I went in the right direction, which, yeah, I did, I just didn't push it far enough. What am I doing wrong? Backwards. Yeah, that would help. If I wasn't doing it backwards, it probably would work a lot easier. Alright, so let's try this again, facing the right direction. There we go. click. Weather pack is all the way in. Now we're going to remove the black wire from the black shell. Black wire is now out of the red shell, or black shell, black wire, black shell. And now we're going to do the same thing again with the last wire in the broken shell. And now we're going to insert pin up inside the plug. And there's our click. Our weather pack is all the way in. And we'll take the little clip that came with this shell, just in case, and we'll put that one down in. And there you have it. Plug has been replaced. Now we can lock that on when we reassemble the manifold. I hope you guys liked that one. Felt that one to be a helpful little tip on how to replace a broken plug so that you don't have to do something silly with a zip tie or whatever to secure it. Relatively easy to do. I found that by searching for the part online, get the part number for the part that the plug goes on. Once you have that, then include the word pigtail with your search, and hopefully you'll come up with the right connector. And make sure if there's little tabs and whatnot that they'll match. And again, if you guys found this one helpful in any way, shape, or form, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. And most importantly, remember, you got no more excuses. Pick up those wrenches.